Hello everyone, I'm Charlie, and today I would like to present to you mathopt. It's a mathematical optimization as a service platform. The tagline is solve MPS files in the cloud with our pay-as-you-go pricing model. In this video of about 8 to 10 minutes, I'll go through a demo on how to use the platform. You can follow along with the docs. So let's get started. I'll create a directory, uptest, and then we'll use UV to run the package. We'll do UV add, and then we'll create an alias for opt to make easier to use. So we'll call opt, and then opt user to get the user. However, we're not logged in yet, so let's go through the authentication process. You can do opt login. This will open a sign-in window. So we'll sign up with a new address. I'll go on my emails to get the verification code. There we have it. We are logged in. We create a token and then paste that in the terminal. Now we can check if it works. We have the user here. The first thing you want to do when you use mathopt is create instances. To help you get started, we have a helper command here, which will create TSP instances. So let's create 2 TSP instances with 5 and 10 cities. Next, you upload your instances with opt instance create. This will compress your instances and then upload them to S3. Then you can monitor with opt instance list. However, it takes a little bit of time to process them, so you may have to wait a few seconds. So there you have it. The instances have been processed. You can see how many variables there are and how many constraints, for example. After that, you want to solve the instances. You have a few options. You can look at the strategies, which have different pricing model, different memory allocation, and different CPU and memory allocation. To create jobs, we have some scripts that give you, which are an example on how to create the jobs. We will use that script to create a few jobs. So let's run that script. We just created 6 jobs, and then we can check in the dashboard that the jobs are here. Next, you want to queue the jobs. So we'll do similarly, we'll create a file, queue job, and then UV run queue jobs. We get an error because you need to add some credits to your account. We will do that now. You go in billing, you can either use Stripe with your credit card, or you can use Sol. So today we'll use Sol because it has cheap fees and it's quite fast. So let's do that. Let's pay with 20 cents. Go in the wallet, approve the transaction. You'll need to fund a wallet with a little bit of Solana in it. You can view the transaction on X-Ray to see the progress of your transaction. And once it's confirmed on chain, you'll get your credits. Here we get 20 cents. So we can run the command again, and we can see that it works. We queued 1 job. We have a cron job in the background that checks if there's any job with the statue queued. So take a little bit of time to get your job completed. So let's look at the back end. You'll see that the first job now has this as queued, status queued. We'll have to refresh a few times here and wait until it's completed. Now it's running. Now it's completed. You can view the logs here. So if there's any issue, you might be able to see it in the logs here. Finally, the last thing you need to do is get the solution for the instance you just solved. We also provide a script for that. So in this script, you effectively only need the solution ID. So you can query your solution and identify the solution that you want to download. We'll copy the script, sol.py, and uv run sol. So we're downloading solution ID from the instance that we just solved. And then you have it. You have all the non-zero indices in your instance and the corresponding value. So since we only have binary variables in the TSP, the values are always 1 here, and all the other values are 0. So in this video, we walked through the complete workflow of mathopt. We signed up and authenticated the CLI. We created some sample instances, though in practice you would use your own. We created and queued jobs to solve these instances. And finally, we demonstrated how to download and show the solutions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or a like. Feel free to message me directly if you are interested in learning more about this proof of concept. Have a good day. Bye-bye.